Hello everyone. Welcome to a new tutorial of Solidworks. In this video we'll make a spur gear, like you can see on the screen right now. First we'll create the body part of the spur gear and then we will use different features to create the teeth profile. So let's get started. Go to the visual background scene. Select plain white. Click on sketch and select the right side plane. Now take the circle command, and draw a circle here in the origin. Click OK. Take the Smart Dimension command, and give the circle diameter as 32 mm, click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Now go to the features and click Extruded Boss command. Select the mid-plane. And give the thickness as 15 mm, click OK. Now right-click on this surface. Click on Sketch. Take the circle command and draw a circle here in the origin. Click OK. Take the Smart Dimension command, and give the value of circle diameter as 10 mm, click OK. Go to the sketch and select the Center Rectangle command. Now draw it here. Click OK. Take the Smart Dimension command, click on this side, give the length of the rectangle as 2 mm, and width of the rectangle is also 2 mm, click OK. Now click on Trim Entities to erase the extra lines with power trim like this. Click OK. Click on Isometric to make it normal. Now go to Features and click on Extruded Cut command. Select Through All. Click OK. Here we see a hole with a keyway has been made. Again click on this surface, click on Sketch. Take the Circle command and draw two circles here in the origin. Now click on Smart Dimension command. Give the circle diameter value as 25 mm. Click on the second circle and give the diameter value as 15 mm. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Now go to the features and click on Extruded Cut command. Choose the direction as blind and give the depth as 3 mm, click OK. To copy this feature on other side, select Cut Extruded to. And click on Mirror command. Click here in the part settings and choose the right side plane. Click OK. Here we see the same cutting on the other side. Now click on this surface, click on Sketch. A little zoom it. Go to the Line command and click on Center Line. Draw the center line here. Again take the Line command and draw a line here. Click on Smart Dimension. Give the length of this line as 0.5 mm. Click OK. Give the distance from this point to the origin point as 13.6 mm. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Now take the 3-point arc command, draw it from here to here. Click OK. Take the Smart Dimension command. And give the value from this point to this point as 1.58 mm. Click OK. Again click on these points and give the distance value as 3.28 mm. Click OK. Give the radius of this arc as 4.56 mm. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Now click on Mirror Entities. Select this arc, along this line. Choose this line as a reference to be mirror. Click OK. Again take the 3-point arc command. Draw an arc from this point to this one. Click OK. Take the Smart Dimension command, give the radius to this arc as 18 mm. Click OK. Now take the Fillet command. Give the fillet value as 0.03 mm. Select this corner. Click Yes. Again select this one. Click on Yes. Now click OK to finish the command. Now go to the features and click on Extruded Cut command. Give the direction as through all. Click OK. Select this feature and click on Pattern. Choose the circular pattern. Now select this hole as a reference. Give the pattern's quantity as 26, on 360 degree with equal spacing. Click OK. It looks perfect. Here we have created a spur gear of 26 teeth. Now go to the File menu, click on Save. Give the destination folder and the part name as Spur Gear and click Save. Thanks for watching.